Friday morning, everybody. It is Friday, December 28th, I think. And it is an interesting Friday morning. Woke up, no power at the house, so had to get dressed in the dark. I haven't even brushed my hair yet because I was just going to do it when I got to work or whatever. It is absolutely pouring down rain. I'm sure you can hear it even if you can't see it out my window. I think it's supposed to stop sometime this morning. I think maybe around 10. But flash flooding and all kinds of stuff. And they were calling for it, but still. I woke up when the power goes out. It almost always wakes me up because of like everything flashing on and back off. And apparently it was kind of early this morning. I didn't look at the clock to know for sure, but fun times. So I didn't even get to heat up my breakfast, so I've got it. I'm gonna eat it when I get to work. So I am meeting my friend Leslie for dinner. Trying to get here, everybody's driving slow, pausing in weird places, but I am here now. Food. Are you ready to open your pen?
I've eaten Pie Tart. That's probably 10 points.
Then you shouldn't eat it.
Today the third or fourth day of Christmas.
Today is the fourth day. Are you gonna look at me or are you gonna keep your back to me?
You're the one that went over there.
We gotta go for a different angle today. Does this one have your name on it? It shouldn't.
No, because you're a poop face.
Did you just pick one? Are you sure you picked the one you want?
I got the pink one.
That doesn't make it yours.
That's now.
It does now because you opened it.
Sully.
Let me see. Oh, she has Sully. Do you like him?
Mm-hmm.
She says, you realize you're going to be eating like every day when I record these, right? You were yesterday.
I'm getting back on the wagon. I even went and bought turkey and stuff to eat healthy today.
What part of healthy is that?
None, but I paid good money for these and I don't want to waste.
You say so.
Tried to get your mom to eat it last night and she wouldn't even eat it.
It is
I
what
don't
it
know
is.
why.
She wanted her present, and now she's just sitting here playing with a gun.
I'm not playing with the gun. I'm playing with the thing practicing putting bullets in.
Mm-hmm.
Because I've only used my Western pistol before.
Time to open number 4.
I look bad, by the way, because I got ready in the dark. And they're not numbered, are they? Or not named, are they?
Number 4 isn't, so she's going for the green one.
I didn't know there was a green one though until I got to the bottom. And then I knew it was mine. I never can remember which one has the red nose. Chip or Dale?
Dale. Chip has a chocolate chip nose. So she got Dale. It's like Frankendale.
He does look like a robot.
Do you like him?
He's cute.
That doesn't sound like you like him.
He's cute.
So I'm hanging out the pups. He left 2 or 3 toys on my bed. He did bring one out with him, but I think he's now exploring another one. Anyway, tomorrow the plan is we're going to Dollywood. I'm going to pick my friend that I work with up from work. She has to work in the morning, and then we're going to go. I'm going to meet my parents and my sisters up there. Probably spend most of the day there, at least until dark, because we want to see the Christmas lights. It's not supposed to be terribly cold, which is a good thing. I think the high is low 50s, low is low 40s. So definitely better than a couple of weeks ago when we had planned on going and there was like an 80% chance of rain. So I think there's only like a 10% chance of rain tomorrow. So definitely a plus. But anyway, so now I'm just going there. Sorry. Now I'm just going to play with the pups for a few minutes and finish editing this video and get it uploaded for tomorrow and go to sleep. So I will talk to you guys soon. Hope you guys have had a great day. And I think Pups wanted to say goodbye. Hey, Pups. Pups. Oh, no. He's eating. Bye. You realize I was standing out there, sitting out there, and you are in here laying on my bed, and I'm sitting on a concrete floor. There's something wrong with this.